Assalamu alaikum. Guys, I'm back with another video. I hope you're all having a good day, because I'm also having a good day. In today's video we are going to hack any game with Lucky Patcher. This method will work on both root and non-root devices. So without wasting any time, let's start our video.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out.
Don't say a word I've heard before. I'm getting my nerve to win this fight, 'cause the end's inside now. Ooh, they integrated me. Ooh, think that I'm playing a fool. Honey, I'll hold down. I wish you well, and I won't be back now. Well, you can go and hate me, but I just fell in love with all this freedom that I found. Oh, freedom. to blame, causing all this pain. So degrading me. Think that I'm playing the fool, honey. I'll hold out. I wish you well, and I won't be back now. Well, you can go and hate me, but I just fell in love with all this freedom that I found. Saying I've been doing for pretty lately. Think I should let you know that I am not your baby
Thanks guys for watching my video. Comment down in the section if you face any problem guys. I'm very sorry I couldn't upload daily video because of my school study. Anyway, I will do my best for you. My next video is coming up soon. Allah Hafiz.